Hello, and welcome to another episode of The Art of Delegation. Did you know that in many Latin American cultures, the most iconic part of New Year's Eve isn't a glass of champagne, but rather a cup with 12 grapes, assigning each one a goal or intention for the new year? I'm Joe, and this week, since 2022 is here now, we're going to look at 12 delegation goals to improve your delegation skills for this upcoming year. Number 1. Clear out your mail. In the new year, tame the email monster by learning the collaborative email delegation system and regain control of your time. Number 2, delegate your social media. Delegating your social media presence can help free up time and reduce stress. You can add a marketing virtual assistant to your team so you can focus on the legal work. Number 3, delegate your calendar. By assigning this task to a team member, they will be able to manage your legal calendar. Number 4, change your mindset. Good delegation takes time and practice, each of which will take you away from administrative tasks. Number 5, hire a VA. By getting a virtual assistant to manage your day-to-day tasks, you'll have more free time, and as a result, you'll be able to work on the things that make a bigger difference to your bottom line. Number 6, save up to 20 hours per week. There are only so many hours in the day, but effective outsourcing can help you free some up. By doing so, you'll save as much as 20 hours per week in your business. Next week, we'll go through the remaining 6 delegation goals for this start of the year. Share this with someone you think would find it useful, and follow us on all social media for more tips on the art of delegation. See you next time.